Question up next, let's go to
From La Cochera Lovers, we have Matt Suzara.
Hello po, good evening. To Gabby. Gabby, grabe yung acknowledgement ni Ate V sa'yo kanina. And congratulations pala ulit dun sa win mo sa Cinemalaya. Anong feeling na part ka dito sa pinakamalaking star-studded movie ng MMFF? At lalo na ito yung pinaka-first mong MMFF din.
Hi Matt, thank you so much. Hanggang ngayon po hindi pa rin nagsisink in na I have the privilege of being part of this cast and part of this team. I work very closely with Ate B in this and I'm very lucky to see her work firsthand. Naintindihan ko kung bakit siya si Vilma Santos. Pero more than celebrating her as an actress, I feel like what I really loved was being able to celebrate her as a person because I also saw the heart that she has and the way that she treats everyone on set. And that's not something that everyone gets to see all the time. So that's my favorite thing about working with Ate B. Love you, Inay.
Thank you,
Gabby.
Thank you. Okay, this time,
Last three questions.
last three, okay. We move on with Melvin V. Tagulaw of Melvin of Manila. Is Melvin here? Melvin. Okay, maybe we go with Jude Cartalaba of the Modern Scribe, Lion RTV, and ABS-CBN. Oh.
Melvin is
Is it Melvin?
Hello.
Okay, hi,
Congratulations in advance to this most awaited movie of the year. My question is for Ron. You've been part of two big movies. You have been with Malyari, then this is the second big movie you have. What are your learnings from the senior artist that you work with?
Napakarami ko pong dapat sabihin ko na yung natutunan ko. Especially sa mga nakasama ko last year hanggang ngayon. Siguro yung pinakatumatak sa utak ko yung matuto kang makinig sa kung ano yung sinasabi sa'yo at lagi mong titignan yung karakter mo. Kumbaga ilayo mo yung sarili mo dun sa karakter mo para mas lalo mong ma-portray lalo at mapakita mo yung mabigyan mo ng buhay yung karakter. Ayun po.
Okay.
Salamat.
Thank you very much, Melvin.
Thank you, Melvin.
Gio and RK.
Okay.
Being also matagal na rin in the industry, what can you share with the other new cast of the film? What can you share with them? Share with acting or experience with the movie.
Sa acting?
Yes.
Or your experience in acting in this movie.
Okay, here.
Okay.
Ako, kasi bawat scene, sa lahat ng dinaanan kong scenes, bawat scene, lagi kang, in general, pag ikaw'y artista, lahat ng scene, dapat meron kang nababaon pa uwi para talagang. So I think tama yung sinabi ni Ron na dapat you listen. So dapat observant ka din na on how to what to take home from the scenes that you do with, especially with the ones that are before you. Yun sa RK.
Surprised ako.
Sa akin. In terms of acting, kasi nagsisimula lahat before the take. So, sobrang thankful kami kay Direk Dan kasi nilatag niya sa amin lahat ng detalye ng bawat character. Kasi tama yung sinabi ni Kuya Aga na di mo na kailangan umarte. And everyone was in their A-game na you just have to react to every scene. Sobrang nakakadala, lalo na mga eksena ko kay Kuya Aga. Thank you very much for being generous. Yung collaboration namin sa mga eksena, napaka-indirect Dan, maraming salamat. So, in terms of acting, minsan, akala mo, yung last project mo, nagawa mo na yung may mga nagawa kang tama. Pero Pero pagdating mo sa day one, parang kailangan mong itapon lahat yon para mag-absorb ng mga bagong lessons especially from our seniors. So again, I'm very, very thankful to be part of this cast and you know.
Thank you. And I think it is catching us. Okay. All right. Thank
Last
you.
question.
Last person to ask a question for this batch. Okay. We got 20 more batches later on. I'm just kidding. Okay. Last to ask is John Bueno of Humacao. Okay. John? Is John here? Hi, John. Oh, hi, John. Gulat sila eh. What?
Hi, good evening. Well, my question is actually for the producer, Sir Brian. Sir, judging from this particular press conference and the movie that you put up, the ones that we're seeing on screen, I can just imagine how much this would have cost to produce. Now, I'm not going to ask the price, because that's going to be given. But what I want to ask you is, I mean, what comes into your mind to actually produce these kinds of projects? And what makes you keep going on doing this?
Thank you. First is, I'm actually very fortunate to be in this position. Tapos, ito yung part na you will never have to hold back. And then, with this kind of story, with this kind of cast, with this kind of crew, minsan lang ito mangyari. Baka kung papalampasin pa namin to, hindi pa mangyari sa buhay po namin eh. But basically, the first important thing kasi, mahal na yung sine. Tama? So you want the audience to really make sure na every peso nila, yung pinaghirapan nilang pera, yung magbabayad sa sine, is worth it. Diba? So with this cast, with this crew, with our director and all, kami po all out kami sa Mentor Productions because I think the Filipino audience deserve a film like Uninvited. And we're not yet done. We're just starting.
Sir, would you consider this your dream project?
It is a dream project. I've seen Vilma Santos growing up. A dream to actually create a film together with her. And by the way, she did not just act on this film. She was a collaborator. She is very important to the entire film. Alam mo, from assisting all the actors, lahat, alam mo yan, alam namin, pinapauwi na namin yan. Hindi uuwi yan. Hindi naiiwanan sila din sa set. Kahit hindi na sa kailangan. Pero kasi alam niya yung halaga niya na may bibigay doon sa pelikula. So that's really, yun yung talagang napaka-importante at tawag dito, fulfilling for me because it's an opportunity. Sino sa tingin nyo, gano'ng kadami na producer ang mabibigyan ng ganitong pagkakataon, diba? And to do a dream project of a Vilma Santos, pagpapalampasin pa natin to, wala na, diba? So, talaga kami dito, all out kami. So, lahat ng rin namin with mangyari, roll over dito. And kita nyo naman, hindi namin kayo papahiya.
Congratulations, sir.
Thank you very much, Brian.
Thank you.
We have super duper last question.
May pahabol, may gate crasher.
May pahabol. Ito talaga yung totoong gate crasher sa Q&A na ito. Jude Cartalaba, anong last question natin for this evening?
Good evening. I'm going to address the question to Brian. Sir Brian, given the fact na you're attracted to doing the project because of the Star for All season, apart from elevating the Filipino movie sensitivity, what are your other goals in doing gripping stories like this?
Ito kasi parang ito yung mga, siguro sa akin, we'll have to create our own market niche in Mentor. And hindi na namin kayang pasukin kung saan magaling na yung ibang produksyon. So we wanted to show the Filipino audience, and of course, not just the Filipino audience, but the world na we can do this kind of stories also. And I think we've been secluded for a long time. And napakahalaga na, lalo na itong Uninvited, akala nyo is just a thriller. Pero napakarami ng gustong sabihin ng pelikulang ito. Ayan, so pag napanood nyo, maliliwanagan kayo. And those are the things that we really wanted to take on. Projects that we really wanted to take on with Mentor. Na kakaiba at saka provoking, will spark conversation. And I think Uninvited has all of that ingredients.
And that is the final answer that we will be accepting
our
tonight.
Q&A.
Yes, maraming salamat. Palapakan po natin the cast of Uninvited.
And syempre, the crew.
The crew as well. Maraming salamat for taking the time to answer all the questions. I know it was a lot, pero ang ganda. And also, hintayin natin yung partnership with Warner Brothers in the future. Okay? Abangan natin yan. Ano? Alright. And this time, everyone can't wait to watch this film. Tulad na sinasabi ni Sir Aga, sana December 25 na bukas. Sana mapanood na natin ito lahat. And with that, we'd love to invite Miss Nadine, Sir Aga, and Miss Vilma, and Sir Dan, Direct Dan, actually, to...
Lahat.
Okay.
Okay. Everybody will have the chance to invite the Filipino people to support this movie this coming December 25.
Okay. Okay, we start with Gabby. Gabby, I guess. All right, thank you so much. Gabby?
Go ahead, Gabby.
Hello po. Once again, thank you for joining us tonight. We would like to invite you to join us again on December 25 as Uninvited premieres. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Before we go to Sir Tirso, maybe RK can say something, invite everyone.
Hello everyone. Again, maraming salamat po sa oras nyo. It's such an honor to be in your presence tonight. We're inviting you to watch Uninvited, December 25, of course, directed by Direk Dan Villegas, produced by Mentor in collaboration with Project 8, to be distributed by Warner Brothers.
Memorize. Okay, Gio.
Uninvited, December 25. If you are uninvited, then gate crash.
Gate crash, okay. The Ketchup Eusebio. Sir Ketchup.
We also want to mention like the other cast members that weren't able to be here. We also have Miss Maylene Dizon, Cholo Barreto, Elijah Canlas, and Miss Lotlot de Leon. So we're very grateful that you guys are here, and we expect your support. And everybody, we have to celebrate this kind of phenomenon that we're experiencing right now. So thank you very much, and see you all in December 25.
Ron?
Again, you are all invited on December 25. Uninvited po, supportahan po natin ang pelikulang Pilipino.
Brian, ikaw din.
So sa lahat po ng mga kaibigan namin na nandito, help us out to promote the movie. Guys, December 25, the billionaires are having a party. You're not invited. Let's all gate crash together.
Uy, I love that. Okay, Sir Tirso.
What else will I say? But anyway, we would like to really invite everybody. Kami lang po yung uninvited. Pero lahat kayo, invited para panoorin yung pelikulang ito. And I am very much honored once again to say na this is such a powerhouse cast, and the movie is really heart-stopping. Kanya abangan niyo po. Panoorin niyo po talaga. Titigil ang pagtibok ng puso niyo.
Uy! Uy! Wag naman! Nakatakot mo na ito. Okay, Direk Dan.
Ayun, so sa December 25 po, makita po tayo sa sinihan. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you, Direk. Nadine?
Yeah, I want to thank everyone ulit for being here. Maraming salamat. We're all very happy to see you all. And Uninvited po sa December 25. Sana po panoorin po ninyo. Thank you.
Thank you, Sir Aga.
Di na ako tayo. Maraming salamat po sa inyo lahat. Muling pagkakataon ko na to sa harapan po ninyo lahat. Maraming salamat sa mentor. Brian, thank you. Thank you for having me para sa pelikula to. V, maraming salamat. Thank you very much. Happy to have worked with you again. Nadine, it's our first movie together. I'm the happiest. Thank you. Thank you for the opportunity. This is the boys over here. Maraming salamat sa inyo. I love you guys. And Mr. Tirso Cruz, Pico, maraming salamat, boss. Gabby. And again, napakahirap siguro ng ginampanan kong role dito, but uulitin ko talaga isang simpleng sekreto lang na kaya ako medyo nadalian po talaga sumarap ang paggawa ko ng pelikula. Uulitin ko po dahil po sa aming team. Mick, tayo ka naman, tayo ka please. Paolo, our DOP, maraming salamat sa iyo. Our writer, Dodo, thank you very much. And of course, our director, Dan Villegas. Dan, maraming salamat sa inyo. Dahil sa inyo, sumaya kaming lahat dito. Nakapaggawa kami po ng pelikula. Sana po magustuhan po rin talagang lahat. Thank you.
Thank you.
Everyone feels like a billionaire because of everyone here on stage, no? And of course,
last but not the least, our star for all seasons, Ate V. Please invite everybody, and we will also have a special toast.
There we go. On cue with the drinks. Okay, this is a celebration after all. A billionaire small, and we are part of it. We are invited, actually.
We're not actually invited. We are gate crashers.
We are gate crashers. That's the right word. Okay. Here we go.
Kasama rin kami.
Everyone has their glasses. Ladies and gentlemen, please raise your glasses up and activate.
Sa lahat po sa inyo, mula po sa team and family of Uninvited, we would like to thank all of you, each and every one of you, for joining us tonight. At sana po, ito po ang pelikula na Uninvited, but we are allowing you to gate crush. And this is also the perfect night to ask for your support. Please support us po para naman mas makilala ang pelikula po naming Uninvited for December 25. And also, we would like to congratulate the Metro Manila Film Festival on their golden anniversary. And we are very, very honored to be a part of this golden Metro Manila Film Festival. And I'm asking you to please support it and support the 10 films na ipalalabas po sa Metro Manila Film Festival. So to all of you, please tulungan niyo po kami na makilala po ang pelikula Uninvited, because we're very, very, very proud of this movie. Again, to our family, maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. May God bless us all, and good luck on December 25. To all of us, enjoy the evening. Cheers!
Uninvited, showing on December 25 as part of the golden anniversary of MMFF.
Dalhin niyo po ang buong pamilya, mga kaibigan, kahit hindi invitado. Mag-gate crush tayong lahat. Uninvited on December 25, an official entry to the 50th Metro Manila Film Festival.
This is the biggest party of the year. Actually, kanina pa natin ito hinihintay. So ladies and gentlemen, as we promised a while ago, we have that special treat for everyone right here in Soler North. Yes, we are giving you an exclusive look on Uninvited's official trailer. Is everyone excited? You guys ready? Let's make this happen. Sa Team Bahay na nanonood sa atin ngayon, we'll be dropping the official trailer on our socials this November 30. Okay? But right now, please don't leave.
Right now, ladies and gentlemen, again, an exclusive premiere of the official trailer of Uninvited.
Eva Candela. I knew there was a reason kung bakit kita nilapitan. Anong ginagawa mo dito, Eva? Mahal kita, Nay. Masaya ka naman sa akin, di ba? Nay naman, yung tanong mo kung jowa, eh. Sobrang saya ko, Nay. Huwag kang mawawala ka na. Mas makakaramdam ako na natulong ko kung si Inay yung mawala. Kung alam ko na, sana wala ako dito.
May naalala ko pa sa'yo, Demi. Or yung feeling mong totoong memory at least.
My dad, he's a freak show.
Nilaway silang lahat. Gusto mo mo uwi na tayo. Uwi na tayo.
Sinusubukan ko. Kahit na mag-isa lang, pero parang ang hirap. Hanapin ko na. Gusto mo ba yung puso?
Sobrang pagmamahal ko sa kanya. Ayoko nung meron pa siyang ibang mamahal.
I know everything about you. Every fucking thing. Ang daming tao. Saksan ng amoy.
Happy birthday.
Matagal ko nang pinaghandaan ito. Pagkatapos ng ginawa niya, tatahimik ako. Handaan mo mabuti ang pangalan ng taong papalay sa'yo.
It's raining money, actually, inside the ballroom. Welcome to the Billionaires Party! Yeah, we just witnessed the world premiere of the official trailer of Uninvited. With that, let's give Uninvited a round of applause. All right, the cast members, the crew are on stage right now.
To share everyone's excitement here, we are again dropping the official trailer on our official platforms on November 30. Hope everyone will like, share, and spread the word. Again, tulungan niyo po kami para maging successful lalo ang Uninvited.
That is true. We have the cast and crew right here center stage partying. And speaking of party, we'll be partying this Christmas. Magkasama-sama po tayo. Tangkilingin po natin ang lahat po ng MMFF entries this year. But of course, unahin po natin ang grandest cinematic party this 2024, ang Uninvited. My name is Robert Domingo.
Ako musikalat Karen.
And it has been a pleasure na ma-invite dito sa Uninvited Grand Launch. All right. Thank you so much.